Hey guys, today I want to cover one Korean word that you can use on a daily basis. It's a really useful word, and I think most of you guys already know this word. So it's 보다. 보다 means basically see, watch, or to look at, something like that. But it also has other meanings as well. So towards the end of the video, I will cover those other expressions, other meanings as well. So let's look at the first one. So this is the basic form, right? 영화를 보다. 영화를 보다 means to watch a movie. But this one is very I don't know, it's like a textbook material. It doesn't sound natural and no one speaks like that. So let's make it a little bit more casual. But before we move on to that, let's see. 영화 is a movie. 보다 is to watch. So 영화를 보다 becomes to watch a movie. Okay, so to move on. Moving on. This one is more, it sounds more natural. 영화를 보고 있어요. Or you can also just remove 를 part. You can just say 영화 보고 있어요. 영화 보고 있어요. So 영화 보고 있어요 means I'm watching a movie. So can you see the difference? When you say 보다, it just means watch. But when you say 보고 있어요, it becomes I am watching a movie. So it describes that you are doing something at the given moment, right? For instance, you can say 밥을 먹고 있어요. Same form, right? 뭐뭐 하고 있어요? 먹고 있어요. It means I'm having a meal or I'm eating a meal. So 밥 means a meal. 먹고 있어요. I'm eating. So 뭐뭐 하고 있어요. 뭐뭐 하고 있어요 is present progressive. So it describes that you're doing something at the moment. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, this one is really, you can use it on a daily basis and people speak like that every single day. 저기 좀 봐. So 저기. 저기 means that or there. 좀 is like, it's like kind of like, why don't you? It means like, why don't you? Like, it's kind of like somebody is making a suggestion or recommending you to do something. So 저기 좀 봐. Why don't you look at there? Why don't you look at that or look there? Something like that. So 봐 is very different from 보다, right? It's because 봐 is 보아, short form for 보아. 보아 is also another form for 보다. It's basically the same thing. But 봐 is, you can hear also, right? When I say 보아, if I speak faster, 보아, 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 and it becomes 봐, 봐. So it's basically the same thing, but when you write it, you have to write like this. 저기 좀 봐. Look at that, or look there, look that side. Look there, or look at that. Because 저기 is there or that. Okay, then what about here or this? You can say 여기 좀 봐. 여기 좀 봐. 여기 means here or this. So 여기 좀 봐. Look at this or look here. Look at this or look here. 여기 means this or here. 좀 봐. Look at. Why don't you look at this? Why don't you look here? Because 좀 has like connotation of like suggestion or recommendation. Okay, moving on. This one looks a little bit more complex, but it's quite easy also. 아기 means baby. 나를, me, 보고 있었어. Was watching. Or the baby was looking at me. The reason why I use past tense is because 뭐 먹었어. 어서, it becomes past form. So for instance, if I said 아기가 나를 보고 있어, then it means the baby is looking at me because this one is just present progressive, but this one 보고 있었어, it becomes past progressive. So the baby was looking at me. 아기가 나를 보고 있어. The baby is looking at me. 보고 있었어. So like same format could be like 밥을 먹고 있었어. You can say like that also, right? I was having a meal. I was eating a meal. Because this one also is a past tense. And 뭐뭐 하고 있었어 becomes progressive, so past progressive. 아기, the baby, 나를, me, 보고 있었어, was looking at. Okay. Let's move on. Next one is, it's a question. 어디를 보는 거야? 어디 means where. Where? 보는 거야. Where are you looking at? Where are you looking at? 어디를 보는 거야? 어디 is where. 보는 거야. Are you looking at? Where are you looking at? Or you can say 이거 봐라. 이거 봐라 is like you're trying to show off. You're trying to like, for instance, you bought something, like you bought a shoes, and then you can say, hey, look at this, check this out. It's good. I bought this, right? You can say, check this out. 이거 봐라. Like that. Check this out. 이거 봐라. 야, 이거 봐. 이거 봐라. Something like that. So, 라, actually, you can remove this part, but you can use it also. So, hey, 이거 봐라. Check this out. Or 이거 봐. And you can say, followed by like, 나 이거 샀어. I bought this. 나, I 샀어. Bought 이거. This. I bought this. Check this out. I bought this. 이거 봐라. So it's basically like, it's not like physically, it doesn't actually mean like you're physically looking at it, but you're just saying to check this out. So you can say like this one is also quite different from the original meaning, which is like see or look at or watch. Yeah. And also another example can be 어제 뉴스 봤어? Did you watch the news? Did you watch the news? 어제. 어제 is yesterday, right? Yesterday. 어제. Yesterday. 뉴스. The news. 봤어? Did you watch? 어제 뉴스 봤어? Did you watch the news yesterday? 어제 뉴스 봤어? You can say that. And you can answer, no, I didn't watch the news, right? Or you can just say, no, I didn't. Then, 아니, nope, 나, I didn't. 안 봤어. I didn't watch. Nope, I didn't watch. 아니, 나, 안 봤어, because 안 is negative form, right? 안 봤어 becomes didn't watch. So we covered like almost everything, not everything, but like you get the gist of it, right? The meaning of 보다. 보다 can mean look at or see or watch. Maybe majority of the time, like 80% of the time, but there are other usages. So different usage will be 마트에 가서 장을 보고 있었어요. So 마트 is I was buying groceries. I was grocery shopping. I was grocery shopping at a mart. You can say that, right? 마트는 it's a mart. 장을 보다. 장을 보다 is doing grocery shopping. Grocery shopping. So 장 is like a market or shopping. 을 보다 is like doing grocery shopping. So it has nothing to do with the meaning of watch or look at, but we use this expression. 마트에 가서 장을 보고 있었어요. I was grocery shopping at a mart. Okay, let's move on to the second one. 시험을 봤어. I'm pretty sure many of you guys already know this expression. 시험을 보다. 시험을 보다 means take an exam. 시험을 보다. So, I took an exam. 시험을 봤어. Because 봤어 is a past form, right? It becomes took, that's why. 시험을 봤어. I took an exam. So, 시험을 보다. Also, we use 보다 here, but it has nothing to do with the meaning of see or look at or watch, right? But we use like this also. I took an exam. 시험을 봤어. Or you can say like, 시험 잘 봤어? 시험 잘 봤어? Did you do well for the did you do well on exam? I'm not sure about this preposition. Wait. Did you do well on exam? Yeah, I think it's on, right? Did you do well on exam? 시험 on exam 잘 봤어? Did you do well? So 시험 잘 봤어? Did you do well on exam? You can also say like that. Okay, another usage and the last one is 내일 아기를 봐야 해. 아기를 보다. 아기를 보다. 아기 means baby. We already covered that one earlier. 아기를 보다 means 아기를 보다 take care of baby or just simply babysitting, right? Babysitting. So 내일 아기를 봐야 돼. 내일 아기를 봐야 해 means I have to babysit tomorrow. 내일 아기를 봐야 해. I have to babysit tomorrow. Is this the right way to spell it? Babysit? I'm not 100% sure because I don't think I've used this word because I've never babysit. But yeah, I have to babysit tomorrow. 내일 아기를 봐야 해. So 아기를 보다 is also like, you can say like you literally have to watch the baby or look at the baby, but it's pretty different, right? You're not literally looking at the baby. You have to do other things like take care of the baby and feed the baby, including so many stuff. So 아기를 보다 is also another usage from different usage from looking at or watching or seeing. So these are the three other usages you can use. And it's also very commonly used as well. So I want you to know these expressions as well. So yeah, we covered almost every usage of the word 보다. So I want you to review and make your own sentences after you finish this video. And I'll see you in the next video.